Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel and welcome to part 2 of making your home smell amazing. We're going to go ahead and get straight into the video. So the first thing that I want to share with you guys are coffee beans. I just love coffee beans. So I decided to go and hit my stash of Dollar Tree vases or glass that I have, and I found these two. So I went to Publix and I grabbed some coffee beans, and what you want to do is just put some coffee. It could be either in a bowl, just make sure it's not plastic, something glass. Add some coffee beans and add some tea lights on top, and you guys, as soon as I pour this, you can obviously smell the coffee, but once I turned on once I lit the tea lights, it smelled so good. I just love this. And if you want to put it, I would put it in a bathroom, a smaller area, because if you put it I put it in my living room and I couldn't smell it throughout the house, but you can definitely smell it when you get up close. Okay, and sticking with the coffee beans, so I went to Walmart and I picked up these little shakers for 97 cents. They look so cute, but I added the coffee beans in here and I stuck these in my closet and my husband's closet. So the coffee beans are supposed to absorb any odors just like vinegar, but I didn't want to put vinegar in my closet. But also, if you go to a department store and go around the fragrance counter, you will see these coffee shakers all around because the coffee beans are supposed to cleanse your palate, like your nose palate, so that way you can go around and smell all the different fragrances. All right, and number 3 are scent boosters. You can use these in so many ways, but what I like to do is grab these little mesh bags that you can find at the Dollar Tree, and I like to fill them up and stick them either in the kids' dressers and behind the door. You can put them anywhere you would like, but I typically go for the small linen closet, the back of their door, or their closet, or a dresser drawer, anything like that. And anytime you open the drawer, anytime you open the closet, you can smell whatever scent you have. And number 4 are essential oils in the trash can. So you can definitely grab a cotton ball or maybe a Q-tip, but I just go ahead and pour some oil into the actual trash right in the bag. I don't use a cotton ball. I just go ahead and just drip it in there, and I do that in the bathrooms and I do that in the kitchen. That way, whenever you either open the trash can in the kitchen or just go into the bathroom, you can just smell whatever scent you poured in there. All right, you guys, number 5 is fabric softener. I am totally obsessed with this. So the last video I shared that I poured Fabuloso in the toilet tank in the kids' bathroom. Well, in our tank, I poured some Downy. Oh my goodness, you guys, this smelled so good. It had the toilet smelling awesome. This Downy is a little pricey to be doing this all the time, but oh my gosh, you guys, I am totally obsessed. The next one are dryer sheets. Now, I don't use dryer sheets in my clothes because I am very sensitive, but I do use them to wipe down our pillows, and oh my gosh, you guys, it leaves the pillows smelling amazing. And if you have a couch that's fabric, my couch is leather, so I do kind of rub it sometimes, but it doesn't hold the scent. But if you have a fabric couch, your pillows, anything like that, just rub a dryer sheet, and oh my gosh, you guys, totally works. Even if it's something quick that you have to do, if you have guests coming like last minute, do this. It totally works, you guys. Alright guys, number 7 is adding essential oils to your air filter. Now with this, I just want to make sure, let you guys know, make sure you choose a scent that you are going to love, because I made the mistake one time of adding a scent that it just did not smell the same as it was smelling in my oil diffuser. So yeah, just make sure you pick a scent that you're going to love. Number 8 is vinegar in a bowl. Now this, I'm pretty sure everyone has heard of. Pour vinegar into a bowl, a cup, place it in the room, and it is going to absorb any nasty odors. And that is it for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one.